Hello. Hi, Mrs. Chan. Hi.
Hi, you. Okay.
Oh, hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, I cannot see you.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Sorry. To, sorry. I think today is Wednesday. I think.
So you forgot our time.
Okay. Okay.
It's okay, Mrs. Chan. How are you, Mrs. Chan?
Fine.
How was
Good.
your Solal?
Salad?
New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. Happy
Okay,
New Year to
Mara.
you.
Okay, Happy New Year.
Yeah. What did you do in your New Year?
Ah, mm, uh, you know mandukku?
Amando.
Okay,
Oh
떡국.
yeah. Toko?
Okay.
Manduku?
Mm. Okay, I'm making to mandu.
You were making mandu.
Okay,
Oh, I like mandu. It's so good.
you too?
Oh yeah, I like it.
Um, kimchi and pork
Uh-huh.
and 두부가 두부 음 tofu tofu
Tofu,
tofu. Okay, kimchi and tofu and pork.
pork. Okay, wow.
Okay.
Just three of you? You, your daughter, and your husband?
No, no. My daughter, she's go to Trinity.
She went to a what?
Uh, she went to go home.
She went home?
No, no. My daughter is now she's in Trinity.
Sorry, I
She
didn't.
she go to Trinity.
Tennis.
Trinity.
She's playing
Up
tennis.
no, no, Africa Trinity. Trinity.
I see. So she's in Africa now.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I understand. So,
Hmm.
so just you and your husband,
Okay.
in
Ah,
New Year.
ah, home is my me and husband. New New Year. Going to Chuncheon.
I
My
don't
mother,
understand.
my
Wait.
go to the Chuncheon. Chuncheon is my mother's home.
So you went.
Okay.
I see. Okay.
I went to Chuncheon.
Okay. Can you see my screen now, Mrs. Chan?
Okay.
Because here went is the past tense. So go or going, that is a present tense.
Ah,
Will go is the
mm,
future tense.
mm,
Going is future. No, present tense.
mm.
So you have to be careful with the sentence because it's confusing.
Ah, okay. I went I went to my home.
Uh-huh.
Uh, um my I I went to my original
Your hometown.
hometown.
You went to your
Ah,
hometown.
hometown.
I
Okay.
see.
Hometown is in 춘천시, 춘천 city.
Also, you went to
Mm.
your home. And then, what did you do, Mrs. Chan?
Um, you know what do you do? You know 화투?
No, what's that?
Huh? Korean Korean famous game.
So you played
Okay. Um, American and card card card
cards?
play. Okay,
Okay.
card play. Korean 화투. You don't know?
I don't know that.
You want to see?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, just a
Yeah.
moment.
Okay, sure.
Hmm, America is in England and card, you know,
Okay. Okay,
you know,
yeah.
uh, Korea card, 화투.
Oh, those are so small.
Okay, small. Uh,
Ooh.
um, 화투 is 12. 화투 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
Uh-huh.
Today is we talk to 화투.
Yeah, sure.
Um, 화투 is 48 card.
So how many players in a game?
Uh, 2 or
Players?
3
Uh-huh.
or 5. Um, always 3.
Uh-huh.
Mm. But 2 impossible. Two possible.
But usually three players.
Okay.
Okay.
1.
I see.
1 and you interesting?
Yeah, I'm a little bit interesting.
Okay, okay. Um, and 2.
Ah.
2
Mm-hmm.
and 3.
Okay, I got it now. Mm-hmm.
3 and
And then 4.
4. Okay. 4.
Ah, okay. So
Um,
there's design.
okay, okay. Um, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Um,
So do you
mm,
have to complete 1, 2, 3, 4?
okay, okay. 5,
Ah,
5,
uh-huh.
5. And 6. And okay. Uh, and 6.
Okay.
6, 7.
Oh, it looks like number 2. Okay.
7.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm, 9.
Okay.
9. 10.
Okay, I understand now. Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then
11. 11.
uh-huh.
11. 아, 9. 9. 9 빼먹었다. 9. 8. 9.
Ah,
9.
okay.
Okay. 9. 10. And 11. 11.
Okay.
12.
Uh-huh.
And this 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 what too
Mm-hmm.
is a name one. 얘는 소식. 소식 이야기. One is story.
Uh-huh.
And two is
Bird.
name. uh, love.
A lovebird?
아니, no. One one is story. And two is love man, or love woman.
Uh-huh.
Mean.
Uh-huh.
uh, um three three is mean. Picture is mean.
Flowers?
Flower and work.
Ah, okay.
Okay. mm, four is 이게 뭐더라. I forget.
Okay.
Five is noodle.
Uh-huh.
Noodle. Mm, six is uh clay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Eight is night.
Okay.
Night. Uh, 10.
Night.
10 is 술이 뭐지? 술. Wine.
Ah, wine.
Okay, wine. 10. 10 is 10
Deer?
is 이거
Deer?
I forget.
Like the animal? Deer?
No. 나 이거 tree.
A tree.
Tree. Tree.
Okay.
Okay. 11. 11 is money.
Ah, okay.
어, 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 Korea is what name? 똥.
Tong.
똥.
Ah,
아,
okay.
음, 어, 10, 12 is, 손님. 이 손님을 뭐라 그러지? 잠깐만. 아, 12 is, guest. Guest.
Aghast.
Okay.
Okay.
12
And then,
is guest.
how, yeah, how do you play that, Mrs. Chen?
아, how?
Yeah, how to
Um,
play?
okay, okay. How to play? Uh, this is three person.
Uh-huh.
Um, three person. Uh, seven card. Seven card.
Uh-huh. Ah, so three-person have seven cards.
Okay, seven
Okay.
card.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-uh. Um, mm. Person is seven card. Have seven card.
Uh-huh.
And ground and six card.
Ah, okay.
그리고
So you have to complete from 1 to 13 or no?
again,
Do you have to complete the cards from 1
uh,
to 13?
13.
Yeah, I mean, do you have to complete the card
Uh,
from 1 to 13 or no?
a screen, please.
Okay, okay. Can you see my screen now,
Okay,
Mrs. Chen?
okay, okay.
Okay. Do you so in the does the player should get the numbers from 1 to 13 first?
아, 아, no. No. What is, uh, this, what is name?
Uh-huh.
This what is name? Eight or, nine.
Uh-huh.
Is what to is name?
Uh-huh.
And, 어, what to, 잠깐만.
Okay. Oh, our lesson is over, Mrs. Chan.
음. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, I
Next
want to
time.
learn it. Yeah. Maybe
Next time.
I will search it on YouTube.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Well, thank you for showing that, Mrs. Chan. Yeah, our
Okay.
lesson. So let's have a goodbye now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good night, Mrs. Chan. Bye
Bye. Good
bye.
night.
Good night.